Nested in the heart of Jharkhand's natural beauty, welcome to Tiru Waterfall, a hidden gem near Ranchi. Located about 32 kilometers west of Ranchi in the Burmu block, this breathtaking waterfall is a perfect escape into nature's calm. To reach the base of the waterfall, you need to descend around 100 stone steps, each step taking you deeper into serenity. As you move closer, the sound of flowing water slowly replaces the noise of the city, and the greenery surrounds you from every direction. Tiru Waterfall is not just a destination, it's an experience. This spot is a perfect for nature lovers and weekend travelers, and anyone looking to reconnect with the raw beauty of Jharkhand. Whether you are here for adventure, photography, or just a quiet break from routine, Tiru Waterfalls never disappoints.